In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency in the OKX Wallet app on your mobile device. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your wallet settings to reflect your preferred currency for transactions and balances. Begin by opening the OKX Wallet app on your smartphone, whether you are using an iOS or Android device. Once the app is launched, you will see the main dashboard, which displays your wallet balance and recent transactions. Next, navigate to the main menu or profile area. This can typically be done by tapping your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen, or by selecting the 9 squares menu, which is usually found in the top left corner. This action will present you with various options related to your account. After that, tap on your profile to access your account settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can find various options to customize your wallet experience. Then, look for an option labeled Preferences in the menu. Tapping this will open a new section where you can adjust different settings related to your wallet. In the Preferences section, you should locate an option like Currency, Display Currency, or Preferred Fiat. Once this appears, you will see a list of available currencies. Scroll through the list and select your desired currency, such as PHP USD. Or to finalize your selection, look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this will save your new currency preference. You may see a brief loading indicator as the app processes your request, and a confirmation message may appear to indicate that your settings have been. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.